Krea have just released real-time edit that allows you to edit images with AI in real time. If this is your first time here, my name is JI and this is the Everyday AI channel where we teach you how you can use AI in your daily lives. I'm going to dive right into this here. As you can see, we're starting off with just a chair. I can actually change this to, let's say, instead of photorealistic, how about a cartoon? And then we'll just get a different kind of image there. Let's say anime cartoon. See what we get. As you can see, that's just changing in real time. If I want, I can actually get rid of this image. What I'm going to do is I'm actually going to select all of this. I'm going to get rid of it. And I'm going to say, instead, I'm going to put a paintbrush here. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to draw a house like this, which is obviously not not the best. So I'll just say turn the house into a mansion. Let's see what we get from here. Okay, cool. Well, I mean, it's it's not even recognized as a house, but that's definitely an element of my that's a symptom of my poor drawing skills. I'm gonna try this again, and what I'll do is I'll actually get some shapes in here. We'll use a triangle. I'll put that there, and what I'll do is I'll also add a square here. As you can see, I am not an artist. Cool. And what I'm gonna say is say something like that's quite interesting. So turn the shape into a lamp. Cool. So we've got a lamp that's loosely in the right shape as what I've drawn here. I think that kind of makes a bit more sense. Let's say I want to add a few more things like a circle here at the bottom. Cool. Nice. And now we've got this really abstract sort of lamp here that I've generated just from images. But yeah, the point with this is to forget the fact that I'm not that great at drawing, and remember the fact that now you can really pretty much edit images in real time and use it to...
I'm actually pleased to announce I've launched one of my first digital products, which is a 7-day prompting ebook. I've called it Perfecting Prompts, and it's essentially a 7-day crash course on how you can improve your prompting so that you can supercharge your productivity. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to leave the link to Perfecting Prompts below. I put in a lot of work into it, and in there I actually include some frameworks that I teach to global corporations. Definitely check it out.
I guess inspire your inspiration in a different kind of way. So definitely check this out if you think it would be useful for you. And I'd like to say a thank you to Krea for giving me early access to this. So definitely check this out if you haven't already. If you enjoyed the video, please make sure you subscribe. And if you'd like to talk to me, then head over to Jay's Instagram, where you can chat to ChatJPT, which is essentially ChatGPT combined with my way of thinking, speaking, and seeing the world. So if you like these videos, then you'll definitely enjoy having a chat with ChatJPT. Thanks a lot for watching. Have a great day.